Albert Einstein, the genius who changed how we view the universe, actually struggled in school. That's right, he struggled in school. He hated rote memorization and often underperformed in tests that included subjects such as language and history, frustrating his teachers. One even told him that he would never make success of anything. But it was his curiosity that drove him to excel in subjects such as math and science, where he explored the why behind concepts instead of randomly memorizing formulas. A simple compass gifted by his father was what sparked his fascination with the laws of the universe. And there you go, he started studying on his own for hours. Despite failing a polytechnic exam once, Einstein persevered, but he eventually developed the theory of relativity while working as a patent clerk. Einstein's success was not because he fit into the traditional education system, it was completely because he thought beyond it. Einstein's story reminds us it's not about acing every test. It's also about embracing curiosity and passion for what truly matters. Tests often fail to account for the different ways students learn and express their knowledge. They only tend to assess a very narrow range of skills, mainly memorization and basic reasoning. So they don't give students the opportunity to shadow some talents, mainly critical thinking and problem solving. This disadvantages the students who excel at these non traditional areas or just have a different learning style. Seriously, is there an alternative to this? Because even today, school tests feel more like a detention than discovery. But to tackle this challenge, there is only one very promising alternative, and it is AI. AI dynamic assessments is the future of modern education by moving beyond standardized tests, offering more personalized experiences and assessing students based on their true needs. Okay, let me break it down for you. The AI testing method often begins with the AI assessing the student's level, starting off with basic questions for the beginner students and more advanced questions for the experienced ones. The AI bot generates a variety of question types, mainly multiple choice questions for quick checks, problem solving to test critical thinking, and some puzzles just to engage the students. The AI bot tracks response speed, accuracy, and patterns in mistakes, offering instant feedback, hints, or explanations to help the students understand their growth and some areas to focus on. This completely eliminates memorization. That's really good, right? So, in your next exam, I hope you don't do this. I seriously hope you don't. We should start grading the kid who can build a rocket, not the kid who can memorize a diagram of one. For instance, schools in Finland replaced their traditional end of the year exams with continuous AI monitoring systems. These systems observed how students solved problems, participated in discussions, and also submitted their projects over the year. These AI systems analyzed their growth and learning patterns to generate detailed performance reports. Let me share with you why it's actually mind boggling. Imagine that you're being tested without even knowing it. If you didn't realize, that's exactly what's happening here. Students back in Finland did not even know that they were actually being tested. It's just smooth sailing while your teacher gets all those juicy details about how you're doing on the test. It's like a ninja exam. You don't even see it coming. Many universities also have planned to use AI in their undergraduate courses. One such university is Michigan University. Professor Mark Wilson at Michigan University launched a groundbreaking experiment that would completely redefine how his engineering students interacted with exams. Instead of traditional multiple choice questions, the students were given advanced AI systems. That's right, advanced AI systems. And indeed, we can say Professor Mark Wilson championed the AI-driven personalized learning experience, ensuring that his students received right quality education. The AI bot adjusted difficulty based on the students' progress, keeping the students both engaged and challenged at the same time. And guess what? The results were amazing. Student scores increased by a staggering 30%, and students reported a 50% decrease in exam anxiety. If you realize, that's a game changer. Because back in 2022, an American Psychological Association study revealed that over 60% of the students failed to perform well on tests just due to anxiety, exam anxiety. That's right. By 2027, Michigan University aims to roll out this AI for all of its undergraduate courses. Now, education obviously shapes the global economy's foundation. Building on this, AI dynamic assessments, think about it. They bring innovation to these tests, driving both efficiency and economical growth in its own powerful new ways. So, the World Economic Forum estimates that over 35% of the global workforce is mismatched to their jobs just because of their skills being poorly assessed back in their school days. Sad, isn't it? But AI can bring down this mismatch by at least 20%. And if you look at the contributions, that's at least $1.82 trillion annually. This is a remarkable change considering that UNESCO revealed that over 68% of the countries heavily rely on standardized testing to assess their students. Now, as we have covered the basics of AI dynamic assessments, let's move on to the local impact on how they are becoming game changers in solving region-specific problems. Rural schools often struggle with undertrained teachers and limited learning resources, leaving the students just unprepared for standardized tests. Thankfully, it's not a far off dream anymore to solve these problems. Because even today, there are many AIs that take tests for these students. One such AI is MindSpark. MindSpark is popularly used in the rural provinces of India and has shown major improvement in the students who have used the program. For instance, a study in Rajasthan revealed that the students who used MindSpark received learning aids twice as large as the students who did not use the program. Today, 500,000 students use MindSpark. Fuse Machines is transforming rural education with its AI-powered tools, ensuring that student scores increase by 30%. Before its implementation, it was recorded that 60% of the students in the area struggled with basic concepts. But with AI dynamic assessments and personalized learning paths, this 60% can be brought down to 20%. It is said that the AI education market reached $4.8 billion in 2024. And Fuse Machines is just one of those companies leading this transformative movement, ensuring that students receive high quality education and opportunities. Uruguay, the country, has adopted a learning solution that gives personalized feedback based on the AI analysis of the student's work and knowledge, called the Mathemative Adaptive Platform. Brazil and Chile also have adopted a learning solution called Mexflix, which does a very similar and good job. Now, the future of education, and AI also does not leave gaps for disabled students. AI can detect learning disabilities within 20 minutes compared to the 6 months' time using traditional evaluation methods. These early interventions could transform the lives of over 100 million children worldwide. I repeat, 100 million children worldwide. That's a large number. These projects combine virtual reality with AI to not only assess dyslexia, but to also provide real-time personalized interventions. So basically, students with illnesses such as dyslexia engage with these AI-powered systems which adapt to their progress, offering a highly customizable and personalized experience. Now, the future of education is all about dynamic and personalized learning, where we celebrate each student's unique genius. That's right. Say goodbye to standardized tests and hello to assessments that adapt to you like your favorite playlist, both engaging and tailored to your strengths. These methods spotlight your creativity, problem solving, and other unique talents. So your learning and testing methods become as unique and amazing as you all are. And it's not at all about perfection. It is mainly about mistakes. You know why? Because mistakes become stepping stones to success here. Exactly. So failure isn't the end of the world here. Now, let's leave outdated tests behind and embrace a future where we empower every student to shine. Thank you. This is Darshap signing off.